Welcome to one of the most impressive upcoming villa communities here in Dubai. Today we're at the Mirage at the Oasis by Emaar. We're going to take a look at one of their new 5-bedroom independent villas, brand new. Let's go and take a look. Okay, so as we enter, we come to this double-heightened grand foyer. Beautiful. 6.5 meters from the floor to the ceiling. This property is covering a span of 11,500 square feet of plot with a built-up space of 10,400 square feet. Now that built-up space is dispersed over 4 floors. The basement, the ground, the first floor and the roof, top level. It's all connected by your private elevator. We'll begin today by moving into the living space, ground floor. Light, bright, ceiling to floor windows allow it to breathe. We've got a seamless flow from the indoor-outdoor. Once your landscaping's done, it will look incredible. We have this central feature, which is the basement. We'll come to that in a moment. It's really nice. Moving into the kitchen space, you have a show kitchen, and then we have a fully prepped wet kitchen in the background. Nice feature here is the dumb waiter. It connects the basement, which we'll come to, and the principal kitchen here on the ground floor as well. Well, this is the basement, and it's probably the most unique feature of the property. It's completely sunlit. As you can see, there's no pillars, there's no beams, it's just one space which can be incorporated to be whatever you would like it to be. Cinema, living space, dining space, gym, completely open to your own interpretation. This space here is quite unique and special, where you can maybe make this a small office space, should you so wish. And again, continuing with the dumbwaiter we saw on the ground floor, we have a second show kitchen, and in the back of the property here, we have the second prep kitchen as well. Okay, welcome to the first floor. Again, this villa has 5 bedrooms. The first one was as we enter the property to the right-hand side. On this floor, we have bedroom number 2, 3, 4, and the master bedroom being number 5. You can see as you enter the sheer size of this space. It is a great size master bedroom, great size. And it's complemented by this really incredible walk-in wardrobe space. Color tones really lovely, nice, warm, classy, elegant, finishings really well put together. And as we go into the bathroom space, we have the shower, we have 2 basin stations, we have the his and hers, and we have this beautiful bathtub as well. Okay, and then the final level, the roof level. Again, a brilliant space open for interpretation. Ceiling to floor high windows, both sides, allowing that natural light to pass completely through, leading on to this huge terrace. Now imagine when this community is finished, it's called Oasis for a reason, the view is going to be spectacular. And then going back to the 11,500 square feet plot, look at the size of this backyard. It actually wraps around the entire property. There is so much you can do with this space. Emaar have done an incredible job on this villa. And if this is the base point of what this community is going to become, it's going to be phenomenal. So for pricing, availability, or for a private viewing, please contact us today at Metropolitan Premium Properties, and it will be our pleasure to show you around this wonderful villa and indeed show you the master plan overall.